arriving on the countertop. Good morning, people of America and the world. Yeah. Some of you still hate Americans, but you gotta love BLG. We're in the kitchen this morning. We don't have Long John Silver's down here in Florida. No, we got Captain D's and never been there yet. But it doesn't matter, because I know how to make Long John Silver's chicken and fish. I'm about to show you how to do it. Welcome to another exciting episode of Hands On BLG. I'm BLG, I'm Lefty, and I am Righty. Yes, let's get started here. Let me get over here around the corner. Run around in a circle here so I can get you aimed. I'm going to try and from this part of the countertop, see if I get a little more room. Oh yes, that's nice. Okay. Now, first we need batter. Not a baseball one. What we're going to need here is all-purpose flour right here, cornstarch, baking powder, baking soda, onion powder, paprika, a crazy wild dingo, and 3/4 of a cup of club soda. So, I'm going to do 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour because I'm not making enough for a restaurant. So I'm going to go doink, half. Remember, I got half cups in this thing. 1 cup. And a little bit there. 1.5 cups. Flour, done. Right there, looks good. What I'm going to do, I didn't set up properly yet. Tablespoons. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of your cornstarch. This stuff goes everywhere. It's fun to play with, but it goes all over the place, folks. So you want to kind of be careful when you open it. 1. Fairly sticky stuff, too. It's not sticky, but it wants to see. 2. It wants to stick to everything. Let's get that off of me before I get it everywhere. So we got our cornstarch. Then we need 1/4 teaspoon. That's the little guy here. This is probably a half. I don't know. No, it's 1/4 of baking powder. Scrape up a little of that. Boom. Same 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Booyah! These get off of me. I forgot the salt. Always forget the salt, BLG. No, salt. You need this too. Salt. We're going to go with 1 teaspoon of salt. Damn it, I forgot the sugar. See, it's not here. I keep forgetting stuff. That is bad. There. 1 teaspoon salt. Booyah! Just like so. That goes over there. 1 teaspoon of sugar. Boom! That goes in there. Gives it a sweetness. I can't, I can only set it here. I don't have room over here. Maybe I can set this here. I thought you wanted it here. Okay, what am I at? 1/2 teaspoons. Oh, wow. We got to run the whole freaking range of these things. 1/2 teaspoon of your onion powder. Just like so. And this stuff dries up on you pretty good. 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. Look at us go through this. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. I believe it's 1/2 teaspoon. Pow! Looks about right. We're going to go with it, yeah? Okay. I need a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder that I overlooked. Wow, can I not read this morning or what? I've got my old notes back here behind me. I glanced at them and didn't pay much attention, apparently. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. There we go. Just like that, right? That's everybody in the pool. Okay, now let me clear this up. Everything goes over counter. Give me some more counter space over here. Put these away. Put that away. Mama made the coffee. Thank you, the mama. Haven't even had coffee started yet. Up on the run. Okay, now we put our 3/4 of a cup of club soda right in here. Like that. We want to get a spatula. Just anything, stirry thingy. We'll stir this all together and make us a batter. Just like so, just like so. They use the same batter for the fish as they do their chicken. So I'm going to do a couple pieces of fish and I'm going to do a couple pieces of chicken. You may need to add a little more regular water to this or a touch of milk, which I'm probably going to do, right, y'all? Get this all mixed in good though. See how it's come out kind of lumpy. I'm just going to put some water in it till it thins out. I'm going to use water. And we'll thin her out into a decent batter here. No problems. This works. In fact, I'm pretty sure that's what it says over there. I just didn't read it. There we go. Get us a nice batter made here. Batter swing. Like so. Stir them up, stir them up, stir them up. Getting there. More water. Just adding water until I get batter. I don't know how much I'm adding. Stir this up. This is looking pretty good. And I could have used a whisk. Try to get the lumps out. But this is working good enough. Stirring it. That's going to be plenty good. See how it's nice and battery now. You can see in the bowl. That's pretty good right there. Just get the lumps out. I'm going to get these lumps out of the batter. I'm going to kick on my stir fryer to 375. And when it comes up, I'll be right back with you. Yeah. Don't go away, folks. This is cool. We are back, folks. The oil is up to 375 now. I've got my little chicken tenders in here. The little chicken tenderloins. I would generally use half a chicken breast, but these will make little chicken sticks. I'm going to lay them in the oil here. Bloop, like that. I've only got 4 for me that I'm going to have because I'm going to do a couple pieces of fish for you too. And some fries. Well, the fries you don't need to see. You can watch that episode. But these just make nice little fishy chicken strips. Like so. Long John Silver style, baby. What do you expect? Good stuff. Down in there. I got one more in here. Good grief. Put him over here. Then I'm going to try to get them separated. Everybody swim independently if you don't mind. I'm going to let these get to where they are nice and golden brown. Not sure how long they'll take. Just a few minutes, I imagine. They're not very big. I would say I'll probably let them go so they get a decent brown color on them. Is that stuck to the bottom or am I just fooling around? Stuck to the bottom. Okay. So we're going to let these get golden brown. And they'll look all cool and stuff. I got a little bit of a mess here I can't get. We'll let these get goldeny brown. Nice and goodness. And the fish and the chicken both actually, I've taken paper towels and got them as dry as I possibly could before I put them in the batter. You don't want to put wet chicken or fish in wet batter. The batter will just slide right off when you're cooking it. I got another one stuck to the bottom here. Can't get to him. Unstick from the bottom. Unhand that chicken, sir fryer. Let go. There we go. That'll do. If you want some extra crunchies, what you do is you just take your little bit of extra batter, drizzle it around in here. It'll make the little extra crunchies that you can get from Long John Silver's. Just put them in there like that. Let them get goldeny brownish. Indeed, indeed. Making Long John Silver's and stuff. There we go. Set that there. Give me a little sip of my coffee. Want some coffee? Get a drink. Here, get in there. You know? Suppose I could get my fishes going in here. I got me some, owie! Got me 2 pieces of pollock. Right here, cod works the best, but you usually can't find it, but pollock works just fine. It's very delicate fish though. You gotta work this gently or it's going to bust into little bitty chunks on you. We're not looking for that. Try to get him in the batter here on both sides. On both sides. A little piece here goes in the batter here on both sides. Just using my fingers. I don't want to bust it with tongs. There we go. Like that. Now those bad boys are in there ready to go when the chicken's done. Nice. Nice. A little bit more on the chicken. Dun 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 dun. And when we get to doing the fish, these are only going to take about like maybe 2.5, 3 minutes on each side, roughly. Like that. Chicken's looking pretty good. It's all floating. The bubbles have slowed down. In fact, I can get the thing out here. If I can, well, it's gone. No, here it is. I can give it a quick check with Mr. Thumb on my turd. Maybe. Lift this up here. Stab this little fat bastard right here. 133, 151, 164. These are done. So out they come onto a paper towel here with some little, you know, I don't know what you call that underneath. A paper plate. You call it a paper plate. Underneath of it. There's our Long John Silver's chicken. I want to get this all done before I reveal everything to you, but that's done. Now I'm going to take our fish and very carefully we're going to lay our fishies in here and make sure they got some coating on them and that they're straight. We'll slather him in nice and easy like. Float him in. We've got our other piece of fish right chow. We'll try to float him in the other way. Boom! Just like that. Get my fingers right to make sure they're not stuck together. We don't want them stuck together. No. Don't want that. Turn that off. That goes over here. Definitely don't want them stuck to the basket either. There we go. For the basket, if you will. There you go. Good, good, good. These are going to go for a couple of minutes on each side. They're just fish. They're innocent little fish, people. Don't hurt my little fish. They're innocent. Don't burn the crap out of them. Burn the crap out of them. Blake asked me yesterday if I'd burned the crap out of something yet. Or recently. It's an old TV show reference. Burn the crap out of it. Salt, 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 salt. Look at these fish getting all gold. Fuck yeah, fuck yeah, fuck yeah. This is here for a reason too. I'll show you that in just a second. Get our fish is cooked up here. Oh, let me a couple extra of these. A little extra crunchy. Got to have a little extra crunchy. Not Long John Silver's got some extra crunchy. There we go. Making some Long John Silver's. It's gonna be good. Want some more coffee? Here you go. Some for you, some for me. We'll share today. Coffee. Coffee for me. I'm also going to make me some fries. But I'm just going to do that on the side. It's like the potato wedges I showed you. Same thing. Except I'm just going to make them later. You already know how to make them if you watch the episode. Yes, these are looking good. Well, while that's doing that, actually, I'll show you what this is for. What's that you say? You have no, oh, what do you call that shit? You have no, it's red, and it's got horseradish in it, and it's cocktail sauce. You have no cocktail sauce? No worries. You got ketchup? You got sriracha? Watch this. You put some ketchup in a bowl. You put the last of the ketchup in the bowl. This will work just fine. Just like that. Bam. You take your sriracha, squeeze about another 50% of your sriracha sauce in the bowl with the ketchup. Get your little spoon. Take a little stir. Taste. Bingo, you got cocktail sauce. How's that for cool? Tastes just like stuff you buy at the store. Get the package at the Long John Silver's. Our fish is done. Take him. Put him out here. Oh, wow, that's hot. Get my extra crunchies. Okay, there's the fish. Now, I got these all up here, sitting aside. I'm going to go ahead and set this back here. I'm going to go ahead and do my fries up and make a plate and show you what it looks like. See you back here. Oh, it'll probably be 10 minutes or so, 15. Something like that. There you have it, folks. All finished. Long John Silver's. You got your chicken here. You got your fish, 2 fish, your chicken. You got your fries. Got your extra crunchies and homemade cocktail sauce. Oh, and there's the homemade fake black velvet painting. I put it up there yesterday. That's pretty cool. So, anyways, hope you enjoyed the episode. If you ain't got Long John Silver's in your neighborhood, now you do. It's in your own kitchen. Hope you enjoyed the episode, though. Like I said, like, subscribe, ring the little bell if you want. Leave a comment. Let me know if you want me to try to make something. Or if you made something, let me know how it came out. That'd be kind of cool, too. Hands on with BLG. I'm BLG. I'm Lefty. And I am Righty. We will see you guys right back here for the next exciting episode, Hands On with BLG. Cute puppies make you famous. There's one right there. Make me famous, cute puppy. That's the Stew Man. Say hello to the world, Stewie. Say hi. Stew Man. Do-do-do. He's a little sheriff puppy. He kind of looks like a yak. And close up, look at that. Anyways, we'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Goodbye.